Hey friends! In this video, how you can upscale low-res or grainy videos by 400% to HD/4K plus ManuAGI. The software can intelligently enhance photos, AI art, and animations to 4K, 8K, or 10K resolution and more. Okay, this video is going to be very special. After a short intro, we'll start the video. Welcome back to ManuAGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. VideoProc Converter AI. You will find the link in the description. From there, you can free download and install it on your computer. After installing, we are here. First, simply click on Super Resolution Video AI. So friends, now you need to select the video here that you want to convert to super resolution. I'll show you how poor the quality of my video is, which we're going to enhance using super resolution. So here you first. Select the right device. AI models it. Features a new, faster Gen Detail V3 and Real Smooth V3 model in super resolution that can boost processing speed by 40 to 80%. Upscale low-res or grainy videos by 400% to HD 4K. I have now set the resolution up to 4K plus enhancing. Let's see the results. Here you can see the video quality is crazy. Here you can see the original video of 1920 to 1080. After upscale, you can see it's 4K. Let me render the full video and show you guys. Here you can see the old quality of our video, which is terrible. And after super resolution enhancement up to 4K, you can see the improved quality is crazy. Enhance photos, AI art, and animations to 4K, 8K, or 10K resolution. It specializes in restoring face clarity in images and can automatically colorize black and white photos. On right side, simply select the right AI model, Gen Detail V3, Real Smooth V3, Anime and Zixt. After this, we will set the resolution to 4K and render it. After a few seconds, you can see our image is upscaled up to 4K. Here you can see the difference between before and after. Previously, our photo was 625 to 350, but now you can see the 4K version here on the right side. For another example, look at this image. We will convert this image 391-260 to 4K resolution first. To do this, we will simply select 4K here and render it. After a few seconds, you can see here that our image has been rendered in 4K, and now we will perform image restoration on it. We have the face restoration option available, so we'll simply click on it. We will select high quality face. Composite face is gradient overlay. I'm very excited about this and can't wait to see the results. Boom! And here you can see the result after 4K enhancement and image, face restoration. You can see how crazy the quality has become here. And here, in the export settings, you can select PNG or JPG and DPI to render your photo or image. Also, you can effortlessly convert low FPS footage to 480 FPS or higher to make your videos smoother. For example, I have selected a video footage here, which is 15 frames per second. You can see it here. Now, here on the right side, you can see that we have the option to set frames per second up to 5 times frames per second. So we will do that. After that, we will simply click on the Run button. Let's skip the processing. I'll show you the result. Here you can see how I converted the video from 15 frames per second to 75 frames per second. If your video is already 60 frames per second, you can convert up to 400 plus frames per second. Also, the best price of the year, 55% off on the lifetime license. Use the latest AI models to enhance video to 4K, image to 4K/8K,